Hello friends, let me show you how to use simulation related to lenses and mirrors. You have to use this simulation in your browser. We will use the mouse for all the controls. This is a convex lens. This candle here is an object. I can use slider to change its height. This slider changes the focal length of the lens. You can change this lens to concave lens by clicking here. This is the focal point and center of curvature. This line is the principal axis. Let us click on ray 1. This ray travels parallel to the principal axis and after refraction goes through the focus on the other side. Second ray goes through the focal point and then travels parallel to the principal axis after refraction. This is how the third ray travels. All rays meet at one point on the other side, which is the image of the tip of the flame. You can move the candle and adjust its distance from the lens. Instead of candle, we can use arrow or letters as well. For now, let us use candle. Let us switch to a concave lens now. Just like a convex lens, you can play with the first, second and third ray and understand the nature of image formed. Clicking here on the lens brings the mirror profile. This is concave mirror. Use the same controls to change the height and distance of the object from the mirror. Take a candle on the right side and we can study convex mirror. Now that you know how to use simulation for ray diagrams, try these assignments with the help of simulation. Thank you.